Today, I would like to explain the correct way to clean a dryer vent system. The first step is to properly inspect the entire system to make sure that it can be cleaned effectively and safely without damaging any of the materials. Once that is complete, finding the lowest point to attach a vacuum source is next. Vacuum is very important for the cleaning process because it is what removes the lint and buildup from the system and keeps it from being blasted into the house or your yard. Our mechanical whip system is able to break loose everything within the venting material. This ensures the dryer vent is free of blockages and inefficiencies from one end to the other. Once the entire dryer vent system is cleaned, we carefully reattach and install everything to make it as efficient as possible. Having a clean and efficient dryer vent system makes the dreaded task of laundry easier and, more importantly, your home that much safer.
Call VacMan for the best value in air duct cleaning.